Hey guys, this is Brad with CellTime on an instructional video on how to use the forward blue light laser to fix your iPhone cracked back glass. So you would have an iPhone like this, and this would be your replacement part, just a new piece of glass. This is called large camera hole because the camera hole is slightly larger than the old one. That way the new glass can fit over top. So once you receive your blue light separation machine from the Forward factory or wherever you purchased it from, first you'll have to put it together and assemble it. It's just a few screws, nothing too crazy. Then you will have to calibrate the machine. Most likely you'll be doing this with the Chinese at nighttime. You'll speak with them. They will provide you with a calibration piece of glass that you put in the machine in order to calibrate it. Once you're done calibrating, the machine should be ready to go, and this is where you'll be at. Now your phone, the first step is always to put foil tape or some sort of reflective tape on the camera lens. That way no damage or dust will get inside. Now my machine came with this tape. You might need to purchase it. Also, if your device has any holes in it from glass pieces falling off, you would also cover that with the foil tape. That way the laser does not try and go through or hit anything important. The phone will always go with the camera to the top left. Just like so. Next step, we measure the focal length with this here tool that is provided with the laser. Now in the laser, we'll push it up towards the top. There's no specific spot, so don't really worry. You'll use this dial to loosen the laser head. That way you can move it like such. Now you can pick the laser head up with your hands, and you want to lay it so that the blue focal thing measure is at the very top of the laser head in the middle, just barely touching it, and that's the correct focal length. So we can now tighten it down and assume it's at the correct length. And that's it. Now we can choose our drawing within the machine. So you click unlock and go to carvings. We have an iPhone, we're doing the back cover, and we're doing multicolor because this is a red XR, and you're going to select figures. Now turn on, if you purchased one, your ventilation system. This just is connected with a hose to the back of the laser. And the other hose is free. I like to put it outside my door. That way, no risk of anything. And that's it for the intro. Next, we'll be showing you how to remove the back glass. If you or someone you know would like to get their back glass fixed on their iPhone, we'll leave a comment in the description with the address for you to mail it in. Your phone will be repaired and sent back within 24 hours. Thank you.